Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying new makeup products. So this is going to be like a new makeup 2021 edition. I have 4 new makeup launches here to show you guys. So I have new Huda Beauty makeup, new LA Girl makeup, new Smashbox makeup, and new Benefit Cosmetics makeup. So let's get into it. I'm going to start out with the LA Girl Tinted Foundation. So I'm gonna pop up an image on this side or this side and show you guys the full collection because I did that for stories. But for the video, to show you guys some swatches, I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 shades that are closest to my skin tone just for the sake of the video, or else this video will be like 2 hours long. If you guys are new to my videos, I typically tell you a little bit about the product and then I use it so that we can both kind of figure out whether it's worth it. For starters, this is the foundation right here. I'm not a huge tinted moisturizer fan, although this one does say Tinted Foundation. I guess it's because it's buildable. They do say that it's sheer to medium, and you know we're gonna be building it up to the medium. The applicator is pretty cool on these. I was just doing the swatches for you guys, but this is really neat. Is this like, I guess it's like a plastic. It almost looks like a glass. It's really neat. Ooh. Okay, these are the swatches right here. So we have warm beige, medium beige, golden, tawny, and warm sand. So I'm assuming this one would probably be closest to my skin tone. I guess if we're matching my arm. And that is warm sand. I just got back from the beach, so I'm like pretty tan right now. Boop, boop. I really didn't think that I was gonna be the darkest one out of this selection here, but I did just come back from the beach, so that's a bit of a confidence booster. And I am gonna be applying these using the brushes that came in the collection. So this is the 108 brush. It's kind of like a kabuki brush, like an angled kabuki brush. And they also have this sponge here. So this is the Pro Sponge. And it comes with its own little stand, which is really cute. So I'm just gonna apply this using the brush, and then I'm gonna finish it off with the blender. I already like the feeling with this way better than I do tinted moisturizers. Tinted moisturizers just, I don't know, they just feel really greasy to me, and this does not feel greasy. It definitely gave me a bit of some sheer color on there, made me look a little bit tanner on my face, but like I said, we are gonna be building this up. So let's just do the first layer. I'm reading a little bit about this foundation, and it has glycerin and vitamin E to moisturize the skin. It has panthenol, I guess is how you say it, that soothes the skin. It also has ginseng root extract that evens skin tone, and safflower seed oil, which is an anti-inflammatory. This brush seems to be doing a good job at blending it in without it looking streaky. So this is kind of how it is with one layer. Super sheer just gives me more of like a tan. And then I'm gonna go in with that blender. And I'm just using a dry blender because I want to keep some of that coverage there. I don't want to shear it out. I know that people are like, oh, dry beauty blender, that's like unheard of, but that's how I apply my foundation. I actually like it better that way. This is definitely adding a little bit more coverage. Although, yeah, I mean, these just aren't really for me. This isn't something that I would wear every day at all, just my personal preference. Although this would be perfect for down the beach. Like, I wish that I had gotten this before I left because I probably would have wore this the entire time. Because when I'm down the shore, I always bring all of my makeup with me thinking that I'm gonna do a full face every time that we wind up going out. But I mean, just out of convenience, I normally just wind up putting on like a really light layer of foundation and mascara. So this would have been perfect for just a little kiss of color and like a little something, you know? The thing that I do really like about this product is it looks like they have a really good shade range. So I'll show you guys them swatched on darker arms. Overall, I do like it. It's just not something that I would wear all the time. Like I said, I like more of a full coverage, but this is a really nice finish. It just gives you a really like healthy glow, and it's not greasy at all. Like, it feels like it absorbed really nicely into the skin. Like, if I put some setting powder on this right now, it would mattify it. But yeah, it just gives you like a nice healthy dewy glow without feeling like your face is gonna slip off, which is what I get all the time from tinted moisturizers. And I know that this is a tinted foundation, not a tinted moisturizer, but I don't really know the difference. I wonder if that's kind of just like a marketing like tactic or if they really are different. I guess the foundation aspect makes it buildable, whereas I don't think you can really layer like a tinted moisturizer. I don't know, you guys let me know. These are $8.99 by the way, which is such a great price, and I just looked it up on Ulta to see the price, and they have 5 stars on there, so if you love like a tinted moisturizer, tinted foundation, I would definitely check this guy out. I'm gonna head off camera, do my contour, and then we'll be back to do the brows, some eyeshadow, and lip products, I think. Yeah. Alright guys, we are moving right along to Benefit's new pomade. So this is Powmade. These are the little tubes here, or pots. I like that they have little ridges on the corner there so that you can wipe off the excess. These are the swatches here. So we have neutral medium brown up top, and then neutral deep brown on the bottom. The thing that I really like about Benefit is that they do a lot of neutral tones and like cooler tones, whereas I find that other brow products typically go for more warmer tones, which I do not like. My hair is definitely more of like a cool tone, so I like more of like a cool neutral tone. These are my perfect shades, and I'm trying to figure out which one I should use. I normally do a darker brow, but I'm looking at this medium brown and maybe that would be a good shade for me. It actually looks like the perfect match for my actual brows. So we're gonna do that. I'm also gonna go in with their brush here. So this is the dual-ended angled eyebrow brush. And I like how this is a really thin brush here, so you can be really precise. It has some pigment on there still. Holy crap, so this is a 36-hour waterproof longwear pomade. It's a creamy buildable formula. It fills, sculpts, and defines brows. I really love these ridges. I know that I already mentioned it. The reason why I don't typically go in with pomades is because it's really easy to overdo it because of how much product is on pomades, like how creamy they are. And I'm just using the spoolie to put my brows up. So I wipe this off on the ends and I'm just lightly going in here. Oh yeah, I'm really, really liking this. And it doesn't look like I did too much, but then when you look at this brow, you can definitely see the difference. I really love this product. This has definitely changed my mind on pomades. Whenever I think of pomades, I think of those really harsh sculpted brows, like harsh sculpted blocky brows. I guess mainly because I mean, that's kind of what pomades were known for in the beginning. But when I was using pomades, like I did that too. Like I used to, if you guys have watched my old videos, I literally would go like this with the brush and just like build them up. And then I wound up drawing them too close and it was looking crazy. I really like how this little mini angled brush allows me to get in there and just create little hair-like strokes. And like I said for like the 100th time, I love how they have those little bumpers on the side there. You can just wipe off the excess. It just allows you to create a really just natural, like fluffy brow if you want to, or you can really sculpt it out if that's the look you're going for too. But I really love this. And it was really easy. This took me like freaking like 2 minutes. These are the finished brows. Like I said, I really, really like it. This pomade is $20, which, I mean, these pots last forever too. That's such a good price. And it comes in 8 shades. I'm just gonna set these real quick. I'm gonna be using the 24-hour brow setter. This is also by Benefit. Next up, we have the Huda Beauty Wild Obsessions palettes. Looks like we have 4 palettes here. This first one is Wild Tiger. Wild Tiger swatches. Wild Chameleon. Wild Chameleon swatches. This one would definitely be more of an everyday palette for me. Oh, I just love these shades. Wild Python. Wild Python swatches. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, I do not do perfect swatches. I don't believe in them. I just put my finger in there and then I see how it comes up. I just think it's deceiving to make them look exactly like how they look in the palette. Like, it just feels pointless. Oh, I love this next one. Okay, so this is Wild Jaguar. Oh, look at that. Wild Jaguar swatches. I was leaning towards going in with the Wild Tiger, but I think I might have to do this one. I am gonna use the Wild Jaguar palette. I just love these shades in here. This is just something that's a little bit out of my comfort zone, and it's just getting me excited for like fall and winter. So I'm gonna go in with that brown, and I'm focusing this on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so I'm gonna cut out the lid using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. And I'm just gonna be cutting out the inner half here. And this doesn't need to be super precise. Okay, so I'm going in with that gold shade. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, so I'm just gonna subtly bring this brown in to give this more of an ombre, because we're gonna go in with that black shade toward the end. Oh, I love this eye look already. This is kind of like a weird side note, but this would be an amazing palette to use if you were doing like Cleopatra for Halloween. Right, like I said, I'm going in with that black now. And I'm focusing this mainly on the outer corner here. So this is gonna kind of mimic like an outer wing, but then I think I'm gonna do kind of like a soft cut here. I actually kind of want to go in with that metallic olive and maybe do that on like right here and see how that looks. I know it's very, very subtle, but it does help in that gradient look. And I'm just taking it on that pencil brush and just going over the black. Yeah, I really, really like that. It just helps to really meld the colors together a little bit better. Is meld a word? Meld? I'm gonna take a combination of the black and that green on the bottom. I couldn't tell whether I liked the really like structured kind of look there or if I wanted to blow it out, but I decided that I want to blow it out. We have plans tonight, so I want to look a little bit less crazy. Not that this is crazy, but it's already out of my comfort zone as it is. So at least just make it look more like a smoky eye. All right, I'm taking more of that gold and just going on the inner corner here. And I'm gonna go on the bottom here as well. The bottom inner corner. For my waterline, I'm gonna go in with this one by ColourPop. This is Hustler. So it's a really pretty like dark silver. I'm just gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be back. All right guys, lashes are done. I did my lip liner and now we're gonna get into the lips because there are 4 Liquid Matte and Silk Balm minis that came along with Huda's Wild collection. These are them right here. So we have Huntress, Feline, and Untamed. And on the bottom here, this is the Blush Ultra Plumping Lip Balm. That is down at the bottom there. You can't really see it because it's more of, it just has a very like subtle hint of like a pink. I think I'm gonna go in with Feline, which is that center shade there. I really do love Huda's matte lipsticks because they're not over drying. I don't even know how to describe them. Like they're just not like an overly matte, like that your lips don't get all crinkled and you don't get that butthole mouth. But they're just really nice. The Wild Obsessions palettes are $29 each, and the Liquid Quad is Quad? Did I say that right? Yeah, Liquid Quad is $33. So that was for all 4 of those lips, which I think is a really great deal. Those are all very wearable shades. And I have this one in a full tube. I really love this, especially like I just do lip liner and lip gloss all the time. This is such a great combo to do with that. And last but not least, I have a collection by Smashbox. So this is the Smashbox X The Suicide Squad. It came in this cute little case here. Cute little clutch. And I believe some of these are eyeshadows and some of them are lips. So I have 3 lips here, Just want to show you guys the casing. I don't know if you can hear my stomach growling. I just ordered Chick-fil-A. I don't know why I'm doing that to myself. Every time I order it, I always just feel guilty immediately. Especially because I know I'm gonna be sick after. Like, what is this addiction? I hate it. Okay, so starting from the top, I have Ratcatcher 2, Harley Quinn, and Mongol. So these are just like a standard lipstick tube. Just to let you guys know. Next up, I have 3 cream eyeshadows. So these are the casing for those. This is what the tube looks like. These are pretty cute. I haven't heard anything about Smashbox in quite a while. So these are just little squeezy tubes. It's a nice amount of pigment in there for a cream eyeshadow. I've never really been a fan of cream eyeshadows, but then again, I've never really, I guess, given them a shot, like a real chance. Let me know if you guys like cream eyeshadows. They're definitely intriguing and they have a lot of pigment. Let me just swatch this last one and I'll show you guys. So we have Peacemaker, Javelin, and Harley Quinn. Okay, so it looks like the lipstick tubes are $24 and the cream eyeshadows are $22, which I guess is right on par with a luxury makeup brand, which Smashbox is definitely a luxury makeup brand. There is a lot in these tubes for the cream eyeshadow, so I would say $22 is a pretty good price for these if these are colors that you think that you would wear. Especially, I mean, if you're gonna get one, I would go with the Harley Quinn, which is black. You can't go wrong. The lip shades are very unique, as you guys saw. I mean, if you wanted something from the collection, I would also suggest getting the lipstick in Harley, which is just a classic red. The lipsticks are a creamy formula, by the way, and they are peptide infused. It also has a built-in primer for smooth color and moisture boosting ceramides to give plush, supple lips. The eyeshadow is a 24-hour wear eyeshadow, which, I mean, I don't know. Can somebody let me know if you ever wear eyeshadows for that long? I wonder, like, why that's such like a marketing thing. I understand it more for like brow products. I don't know. Let me know. Just let me know everything in this video. I guess this kind of turned into like a full face of first impressions, but I really love the lip. I already told you guys I love Huda Beauty's matte lipstick liquid formula. The eyeshadows, oh my god. I love every single palette from her. I mean, I love everything that Huda comes out with. Huda's palettes, I always think are worth it. She just does such a good job on formulation. All of the color stories are really great. I mean, any one of these palettes I would be happy with. I love the way that this look turned out as well. It was like a little out of my comfort zone, but now I'm getting used to it. I feel like, is this my everyday look? Oh my god. The brow product, I really love that Pomade. Like I said, I'm not like typically a real like pomade type person, but this one really changed my mind. And I love that the applicator, like the little brush. I think it was so easy to make these brows. Like they just look like a really effortless, like fluffy brow, but using pomade, which is like blowing my mind right now. It's like unheard of to me. When it comes to the Smashbox Suicide Squad collaboration, I think that Harley is the best way to go in both the eyeshadow and the lipstick. I just think it's the most wearable. But for like the 100th time, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, which collection or product was your favorite. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Let me know what you guys think of this eyeshadow look. I don't think I've ever done anything like this. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. I can't talk today. I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye guys.